Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude here with another dinosaur figure review. So today we're going to be unboxing this event calendar by, here we go, Schleich. I've never known how to pronounce it as a kid, and I never took the time to look up its pronunciation. So I'm probably going to butcher it throughout the video if I ever bring it up. So let's dive right in. So right off the bat, you see this red Tyrannosaurus with black scales going down the back and some neat paint apps. And this very beautifully done kind of matte black with some green on the sail Spino, which I really love. That's what really drew me into the set. I believe that one, or both of them, are exclusives to this map playset, along with this little blue and green compy. It also comes with a baby Rex, frog, one of the smaller figure, the little, I guess, kind of like Good Luck mini figures or something. I've got a few of those. It's not unique to the set, but you're able to buy them for like $3 to $5 loose. And then this one too, this is a very beautiful figure, baby Quetzalcoatlus. I've never really seen any juvenile pterosaurs made in model lines, so I thought that was very cool and neat. I've seen it a few times in Schleich's playsets as well, so it was good to grab this set above all others. So if we look on the sides, we've got all the figures inside this pack, kind of bunched together in a cute little scene. It's neat that it comes with a T-Rex skull too. And if we look on the back, we get the plant, the baby dinosaurs, the Rex and Spino, the raptor, compy, and some plants, and then other sets and figures we can get. Dimorphodon's looking pretty cool. And a little Santa T-Rex cutout thingy. So that's neat that it shows what's inside the box. So let's get this open. It seems like it's got an outer coating, see? And that's being held on by this sticky sticker tab. So I'll quickly peel that off. I think it's just, I don't know if this was like for protection or something. They've got another one on the other side too. Sure, I think I can just cut that. Yeah, I'm just guessing that this outer thing is to keep the tabs from breaking. Yeah, there we go. So it's the exact same image as the packaging, just with all these little tabs. And then the back's got a more larger image with other figures and sets. That's also a really neat set with the Herrerasaurus and the Psittacosaurus. It's a pretty cool color of that figure. And the rock kind of reminds me of the Lion King, actually. So anyways, let's get to opening one of these. So let's start at actually number 1. We'll do it in order. So you push on that tab and open the thing, and then you pull out baby Quetzal. Okay, so I think first we'll just pull all the bags out, and then we'll unbox the bags. So we got 1. We got 3. I'm just gonna skip to 3. We've got the stand. 10. A bit of the plant. The plant's got some plastic still on it. It's interesting. It's in number 11. We got the little frog. I think they're the poison dart frogs. What is this? I think a name tag sticker, maybe? Oh, we got more of the plant. Or a different plant, actually. We got a fern. In 23. Oh, nothing. We already did that one. 14. We got another sticker. Sticker of the Spino and the frog. We got another part of the plant. one's pretty neat. Got another plant. I'm guessing the Spino or Rex are in these two. Well, that's cool. These ones unhinge like a little door. Should probably be zooming in better. This one comes with the raptor figure. The big wings on it. Number 7, more stickers. I think this one has a Rex on it. Yeah. 16. Let's see what's in 16. We've got an egg piece. The egg's clear. You can see through it. That's pretty interesting. Not really realistic, but I guess if people or kids want to see if there's the dinosaur inside or not. This compartment has part of the flower or plant, and then this one has the Rex in it. Oh wow, I like the detail right off the bat already. Look at that. Okay, so we'll go to number 2. Number 2 has another section of that egg. I'll be getting that out. It's kind of difficult, you gotta like pull it around. We've got another part of the plant. 12. What's inside 12? A little leaf. Tropical leaf. 8, we've got the Spino. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh, the underbelly's also a greenish color. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, let's continue this. Let's finish off the packaging. Let's see what's in number 9. Another section of plant. Pretty cool. It's kind of like an aloe vera. It's got spiky edges to it. Oh, we've got the skull complete. Nice. What's up here? Oh, another sticker. It's kind of falling through to the other peg. The baby Rex and the Quetzal. Number 12. We've got the Compy. If we can get it out. Kind of JP styled Compy. 12. What's inside 12? Plant stand. And 15. The baby Rex, I think. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So we've got all of the sections open. Let's get rid of this packaging. And now let's see what we've got in the bags. So we've got the Spinosaurus. The inside of the mouth is painted. Got a red tongue. And this like gray, blue, blackish color on the sides, which is really beautiful. And I love those greens on the bottom. Very amazing figure. I've actually got another paint variant. So this one is a more tropical paint style. I think it was released in a 2-pack as well with the Rex. And I've got this one signed by Nazar Ibrahim. He was in Vancouver doing presentation for National Geographic. So anyways, so yeah, this is a really nice figure, and the claws are even painted too. It's looks pretty much like how Spinosaurus is walking on 4 legs. The sail's a little inaccurate and the tail, but it's a pretty decent figure for just like kids and playing with it and whatnot. So here's the baby Rex. Let's get it out of the bag. It's a very interesting pose, looking up possibly at its mother, or for food. It's actually a rubbery figure, so you can kind of move it. Like the toes and the tail that are sticking out, you can bend them like that. Now the plants, this is a big fern. They're kind of warped from being in the package, so I can't really blame them for that, but you just connect them together. They seem to be a little less quality than usual, but that's fine. The set isn't really for the plants, but rather for the dinosaurs. So let's get the stands out of the packaging. We've got different types of plastics for each. So I believe this one's for the fern. Yeah. And these are great for dioramas and for play as well, but I definitely love using them in photography. They're very neat for that. So let's put together this kind of spiky cactus-like plant with this little flower cone it has sticking out the top. It would be neat to see cycads, actually. I'm not sure if they have any made, but since this toy line really likes to make plants for their playsets and stuff, it would be neat to see a different variety of prehistoric plants like tree ferns and whatnot. So we got the other plant. It's a pretty good size. Let's take a look at the skull now. The skull's got a lot of detail to it. All the little grooves and pits have been painted, and the jaw can come off as well. And it's really great again for photography, dioramas, and whatnot. And let's do the little leaf next. So this tropical leaf, it's rubbery. It's actually got a lot of detail to it. Surprising amount. The stem is connected to this one side. It's got little holes. So that's a great little piece. The egg, I guess it's good for play because you can see what's inside of it. The little raptor is a good addition to the set because it's kind of scaled to the Spinosaurus and the Rex, where it's smaller, but like you can still use it and it's still compatible with them. Let's get the Rex out of the package. Sorry for all the noise, I don't know how loud it is once I upload it, but yeah. So the Rex comes with a stand, just I guess to keep the legs and hands from warping. And it's red, it's got kind of this darker black, kind of highlighting the scales, and this black ridge down the back. These two are very simple color palettes, but the choice of colors really makes the dinosaurs pop out, and I love that about this set. It's kind of underlooked for that purpose of them not being as detailed. But again, I was just so attracted to it by the colors of the dinosaurs and the choices. So let's get this little frog out next. This one looks interesting. It's got a lot of detail to it too. It's got some black on the back, darker underbelly, big old black eyes. It's a very cute little addition, a cute little piece. So next we've got one of my favorites, the baby Quetzalcoatlus. It's absolutely adorable. It's got little black eyes. Its stance is kind of like that of, I guess, a dog. Very weird front limbs. This would be great for doing dioramas and again photography as well. I've got the adult of this guy, so that might be neat. I've got a few ideas for it. This is a great figure. And it's covered in little hair as well, like baby pterosaurs would be. And the last figure we've got is the Compsognathus. Again, it's got a little stand to keep its legs from warping. It's got a very wide stance, very, I guess, cartoony, skinny, kind of reminiscent of those of Jurassic Park. And I love the tropical colors. So there's the set. You get a decent amount of small baby figures, smaller figures, and the medium-sized dinosaurs, as well as plants. So this is a good addition if you are collecting scenery packs or want some more spice to your shelf. And it's definitely worth a pickup. Now this was, I believe, last year's event calendar. I'm not sure if they sell them at stores at like half price nowadays. But if you do ever see them on discount, again, it's a great set to get, especially for kids or collectors. So I hope you guys like this model review. If you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments and leave a like. And I'll hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.